Hi, it's Colin McIntyre, and today I'm going to convert an existing Leadpages template into a lead capture page. In this instance, I'm going to use a field that I'm in, or a niche I'm in, which is dog training. And so I'm going to show you how you take an existing template and customize it to what you want.
Okay, so the plan is to edit the video demo lead capture page, and I'm going to edit it to become a page around dog training. So before I start editing that page, I want to create a new lead magnet. And the way you do that is here, lead magnets. Okay, I'm going to create a new lead magnet. I'm going to upload a file. Okay, dog training basics PDF. So that's a PLR product that I have a license to give away. Call that dog training basics. Use one of my email addresses. Hi, here is your free copy of dog training basics. You may be interested in a cheap paid video training product brain training for dogs. Dogs. Which is a Clickbank bestseller from a famous US dog trainer. You can get it here. Which I will make a link. I will get all the best Colin. Okay, so I've now created a new lead magnet that I'm going to use to offer a free ebook for people to give me their email address. Okay, just noticed I managed to overwrite that, so I'll just change that back to the dog training basics. Okay, so now I've got the dog training basics, which is what I wanted. So I'm now going to go back to my landing pages. Okay, and we're going to edit the demo page we used for the training. Okay, and although it's not hugely important, this background image is not suitable for dog training. So not much of the image is actually showing on the page, but I would like to have an image that is around dogs. So layout, section, main content, and section style. Okay, and that's where we have the image. So I'm going to change that image. So I need to upload a new image. Dog background. Dog training. Okay, so now there's a bit of a dog in the background. As I said, it doesn't actually matter that much of it is showing. Sorry. Edit image. Change the image. Okay. And the next thing I want to change is this image. And I want that to reflect the ebook I'm going to deliver. So again, I need to upload that image. So I'm just going to change the wording there. Get the ebook. I'd actually quite like that colour to be on that. So I'm just going to use a colour eyedropper. Okay, so I've lined that colour up now. So it's beginning to look more like a dog training page with the, I'm just going to change that. Okay, so the images are lined up, and I'm going to start working on the text now. So I'm going to change some of the wording here. So tips. Okay, so I was having some trouble with the text there, which is very unusual. I suspect it's because I've got poor internet connection, an old laptop, and it's very warm today here in Cyprus. So I've just gone offline and just typed that. So a couple of things from the PDF ebook, but also saying that you're going to be offered an additional offer, and that's because once people opt in, I'm going to send them to the dog training, brain training for dogs, Clickbank offer. So I want people to know that that's what I'm going to do. So the text is about right, the images are about right. So what I need to do now is to make sure that this pop-up actually sends them somewhere sensible. So I'm going to get the first name, but I don't want all of this. So let's edit the integrations. So I'm going to go to fields, and I'm going to lose the phone number. Okay. Then the integration I want to add an integration and I already have a list I can use in GetResponse. Which is Brain Train Your Dog. Okay, so that's going to send emails to Leadpages and also to GetResponse. So that's integrations, that's the fields I want, so just first name and email address, and then the action. And the action is I want to send them to an external URL, and I want to send them to this address. So that will show them the video training offer, and I want to make sure that they get a lead magnet, and the one that I'll promise them is a dog training. Just want to change this again. Okay. So I've only done a very basic customization. I may change colors a little bit more if I had the time, and if I thought it was necessary, but actually I think that is okay. So I'm going to end this video. Tomorrow I'm going to go through the publishing options you have in Leadpages. So there are a number of ways we can publish this page, and I'll go through each of those.
So the video was a bit longer today. We went through a number of things: changing your graphics, changing your text, creating a lead magnet, and integrating to your email service. So we've covered quite a lot. Tomorrow's video will be a relatively short one, and that it will be just changing your page settings, making sure they're okay for SEO, and publishing to your domain. So there's a number of publishing options, but tomorrow I'm just going to be using the ones publishing to your domains. If you've liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to make sure you don't miss tomorrow's video, then subscribe to my channel please, and hit the bell for the notifications so that as soon as that video is ready, it'll be tomorrow or the day after, you'll be notified that it's available for you to go and look at it. Until then, it's bye bye.